made candied orange slices last week and there was a request for a chocolate drizzle, so let's do it. You'll start by thinly slicing your oranges and then you're going to boil these for 2 minutes just to get rid of some of the tartness in the peel and the pith. Transfer these to an ice bath and then start with 6 cups of water and 3 cups of sugar. Simmer the oranges in that mixture for 45 to 60 minutes. I also dried these in my dehydrator this time, so this was at 135 degrees for 3 to 4 hours. That's optional though, you can also just let them dry at room temperature. Once they're dried, they're nice and hard, they're really shiny, and you can eat them just like this. I spread them out on a parchment paper lined baking sheet and then melted a little bit of dark chocolate, and then I used a spoon to drizzle some of that dark chocolate on each slice. There's no rhyme or reason, there's no wrong way to drizzle chocolate. Do whatever you like, and I went for sort of a crazy little pattern here. I also sprinkled them with a little bit of flaky sea salt and then popped these in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to let that chocolate firm up. They're beautiful and delicious, and they're ready to eat right away. You can store these in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to a month. Grab the recipe for my candied orange slices at the link in my bio.